To properly shut down Komatsu Tier 4 machines, allow the machine to idle for 5 minutes. Turn off the machine key. Wait for the green operating lamp located near the battery disconnect switch to go out. Turn off the battery disconnect switch. Do not turn off the battery disconnect switch until the green lamp is off. If this occurs, the operator will see code CA1117 in the machine monitor the next time the key is turned to the on position. Failure to follow these procedures in cold climates can result in diesel exhaust fluid freezing in the delivery lines. This could damage the system. We hope you find this video helpful. Please share this video with fellow Komatsu Tier 4 machine operators.